Let's see, I think this is filming. Okay. Yeah, I'm just getting used to this LG K51 phone. So, pulled the motor. The engine in the BMW 2002 turned out to be a 2000 cc engine, 2002 engine, not the 1600, which I assumed it was. So it turns out that the car was a 1600 car, but the guy had pulled the 1600 motor, put a 2000 motor in it, and it was stuck as hell. And I let this thing soak for about 3 weeks, and I mean, look at that. That is some serious abuse. These two closest to the front were the hardest to get out. I used a little MAP gas and PB Blaster and Marvel oil. I gotta say, that was not fun. I had a 29 Indian I did this to, and I literally had to get the cylinders red hot to pull out the cast iron pistons, but these are aluminum and they did come out. But I mean, look at that. That is really, really nasty. Anyway, so it turns out I have to use this engine because it's got this mechanical clutch, and that cannot just be taken off and added to another engine. So look at that baby. This thing spins too. Isn't that amazing? Look, that is so cool. So what we did is we soaked it, and my friend, who's a genius, brought over this fence post tool and a tree limb, a branch, and we would just pound it and soak it, and it busted loose. I was using a mallet and a tree branch, and that was getting me somewhere, but nothing like the post hole digger, or not post hole digger, fence digger and the tree branch. So now we got to determine if these are salvageable pistons. Probably not, and go from there. But yeah, what a job. And I've got this nice little bus tub, and everything's lined up in the order it came out. And this guy's scored. So the front ones, actually these would have been the ones up front with the black pistons. So there it is, kind of a big deal day for me. I'm sure other people do this every day. I'm used to working on motorcycles, so that was pretty cool. But so you got this motor, and it does not have the bracketry for the manual clutch. You can see you got to use the slave cylinder to actuate the clutch, and you have to swap out the pedal, is what I'm told. And the top end, I'm gonna have to really clean that and see if I can salvage that. And then there's another motor I bought, thinking, God, for $100, what the hell? And turns out I can't use that one because of the that clutch thing, because I don't want to swap that out right now. I want to run this motor after I service it and see what we got. But surprisingly, it really wasn't that bad. One day I got the exhaust off. One day I got the motor mounts loose, and had to use about 3 foot of extensions to get the transmission securing nuts and bolts off, but that came off. And I got the master cylinder off. Here, oh yeah, no, let's not do that. Always lots of fun. Yeah, nothing blew up today. Well, day's not over. So there it is, gang. Yeah, that is in the off position. Yeah, but there is the master. And this guy here has got like 3 ports on the end, 2 ports in the center, 2 ports on the top. And I found these for $90. So hopefully that's a good one. Looks to be identical to the ones that are $350. So we'll see. Anyway, gang, there we are. Making huge progress on this beast. It's really a shame if the guy would have changed the oil, changed the coolant, serviced the motor. Would have just kept going. Would have just kept running. And my friend was kind enough to loan me his engine hoist. It was really a piece of cake. I was really surprised how easy it came out. But like I said, I think the guy had, well, he did swap it out before, so the bolts weren't, torqued down for 50, 60 years, whatever. That would be what, 71, 50 years. So, anyway, there it is. There's the worst of it. Man, just unreal. That thing was just absolutely frozen. Yeah, we know you're out there. Get some sludge between those rings, you're just screwed. So hopefully I can salvage them. If not, just replace them, hone the cylinders out, and we'll try again. Man, just so. And what I used was the branches and wood, so I didn't fuck up the ends of the pistons and these threaded areas here when I was pounding them out. Anyway, there we are. Looks good, man. So I'll keep you posted, gang. I'll do another video when this starts coming back together. So we'll catch you on the next YouTube.